choke on an apple.
Whoa, what's that sound?
Chandler, I hope you choke on an apple.
Shit's getting real, dude. Oh, dude, bugs are everywhere. Fuck, dude. She needs CPR.
Oh my
Fucking
god,
shit,
dude.
no! No!
Dude.
No!
No.
Just turn around and leave. Just leave. Fuck it. Don't go.
Oh my god,
I
dude.
don't remember this. No! Is it in the... That is wildly inappropriate. There's so many bugs. I can't. Fuck, dude.
Oh my god.
Fucking no!
Oh my
Fucking no!
God,
Just
dude.
go and walk!
We're so nuts! I'm running.
Dude, fucking that last door.
Holy criminy.
I'm so hot right now.
Dude, I like need a second. Oh my god.
Woo! It's like completely silent now. What's going on? Whoa! Fucking no! No!
No, sure. Just go.
No!
I mean,
Stop it!
I'm gonna go.
Don't go in there. Don't. There's a lady in there. She's
Who's a
tall
lady?
and weird. Dude, she's standing. Is that her right there? Or is that? Oh, that's the worker. That's you.
Pee in
The
the
baby.
bathroom?
Dude, what are we doing?
Let's check out stuff.
Wait,
I don't want to go back.
wait, what was that?
Flashlight?
Ah. Yeah, so many bugs.
Instantly better.
Fuck! No. You're gonna get drowned. You's done gonna get drowned. You're fucked, bro. Oh, fuck. No. No. Oh my god! There's a hole in the wall. There are bugs in it. Oh, fuck, dude.
Oh shit, dude.
Dude, whack it with the flashlight! Whack it with the flashlight! Oh, shit, fucking slow. Let her in. She just wants to take a bath. Is there an eyeball in the hole?
I don't know, dude.
Fucking, there was something shiny in the hole. Dude, handprints are forming on the wall. Whoa, what the fuck? What is that? Oh, is it just the bugs? I think it's just the bugs.
You tried. You paint yourself in the mirror.
Can't see anything.
Fucking walked in, bro. Just use the bathroom. Just take a leak. It'll be fine.
Look at the door through the mirror.
What if it... Dude, what if it
Looks
fucking
like it's trying
opened
to do something to you.
with the mirror?
Like, yeah.
I do too.
Is it?
Whoa, fuck!
Okay.
Are you serious?
Maybe that works.
Still not reading it.
Look outside.
Yeah, maybe it's another... Maybe it's a reverse jump scare.
Ooh.
Wait. Will it not let you open it? Dude, that... Nobody's doors sound like that in their house. Shit, dude. No. Nope.
Oh, there's a
change the light bulbs.
Look at the keep my phone.
How long have we been here? Briggs, man. You can't trust the tap water? What does that mean?
There's a glitch or something in there.
I don't know. And you can't get out. It's just the... What was that? Wait, what? 3. What is that sound?
It's darker.
Is it darker? Whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa. Stop moving. What is that? Holy fuck, what is going on? The shadow.
It's just like a glitch in the game.
What? Oh, dude, the door is closed. Oh, yeah, that's a good one. But you can't. Fucking no.
Oh my god.
Jesus Christ. No! Okay, I covered my eyes as soon as it said look behind you, because I knew Andrew was going to be like, huh, okay, and just turn around as fast as possible.
Lunch done.
I can't hand... Did you just get lunch done?
Yeah, I got ate up. Dude, that was insane.
Whoa. Oh. Oh, there's no bugs having sex, though. Oh, and the door didn't open. And you have the flashlight now.
Wait, this isn't over.
Dude scratches on the walls.
I walked. I could do nothing but walk. And then I saw me walking in front of myself. But it wasn't really me. One shot. The gap in the door. It's a separate reality. The only me is me. Are you sure the only you is you?
What is that sound? Dude.
I'm not having fun.
This stuff been fun a long time. Fuck.
I'm no longer having fun.
Wait, the shadow isn't behind you anymore. Oh fuck, why did... Oh my god, that scared the shit out of me. Fucking run. Just fucking run. Like... Can't trust anything. I'm gonna have to, like, watch a Disney movie after this or something. Like... my heart. Okay, so the door's closed.
Fucking
Stop with the turtle peeking there. Whoa.
The fucking turtle again. Have you tried opening that last door yet?
His 6-year-old daughter had the new attempt to hide in the bathroom, but reports suggest he lured her out by telling her it was just a game. The girl was found shot once in the chest from point-blank range. The mother, who shot in the stomach,
I know.
after neighbors called 911,
Can you look at the radio?
listening to the radio.
No, don't. Look, stop.
Strange spell.
Jesus Christ.
There was another family shot to death in the same
Let's look at the picture.
in December of this year. The Toronto newspaper
Dude,
murdered his entire family. Each case, the perpetrators were state police said his string of domestic homicides appeared on 204863. Childcare and other
Fuck, dude.
I don't really remember how to get past the part, to be honest. You know you have to find those pieces of paper, right? But that's not till later, right?
Well, that's not. You don't have to do
Oh,
that.
okay, that's awesome.
That's like the option. I'm almost positive it's the picture. Yeah, dude, she's behind you.
Yeah. This is like in this part she'll like eat you every time if you don't figure out what to do.
I'm pretty sure it's the picture.
I think I'm bailing on this guy.
Dude, no, wait. Don't go back there. Oh.
Look at the
Shit,
picture.
I'm like waiting. Look at the picture again. There's a thing.
Just keep looking at it.
You gotta look at it from different angles and shit. She won't get you as long as you don't look down the hall, I'm pretty sure. Like, I don't think she can get you unless we're looking over there.
Am I supposed to be? I feel like there's something you're supposed to be doing first.
Are you sure?
I don't know.
I'm pretty sure there's not. I'm pretty sure it's just gouge it out, you zoom in on the thing.
Like, look her more into the eye. Stop looking that way.
I know that that's it.
Dude.
Maybe. I know that that's it. I'm pretty sure. Wait, look on the wall to your right. To your right.
Right there.
Okay, yeah, never mind.
There's something written.
No, not this time. Oh, maybe he's supposed to do that. Okay. Fuck. Go to the phone.
Oh yeah,
Go to the phone. Go to the phone. You were right. You were on the right track with the phone thing. So I swear to God, if she's there. She's not?
No.
Okay, so look on the wall to your left, right there to the phone, and then look away. And then look at it again.
No,
No.
that's not it either.
What the fuck? I don't remember. Just. Oh my God. Okay.
I thought it was the gouge it out thing.
Yeah, I'm pretty
But
sure.
do you have to do it
just
before a
zoom.
certain time? Like before he says the numbers?
Yeah, maybe he has. Maybe you have to do it while he's saying the numbers. Or maybe you have to do it when the door's open. But now, how do you?
Yeah, how do you get out?
Oh shit.
So, dude,
Try the bathroom door again. Try the last or the first door that you came in. Go.
Jesus.
Is she in the head?
No, she's not.
Fuck, dude, I can't handle this. Whoa! I heard her. Dude, she's walking behind you. Fucking shit, dude. Go to the first door.
No.
Go to the. I think that's your only
Look
option.
straight up.
Look straight up.
I fucking
I
hate this
can't
game.
even look at this anymore. I'm so stressed out. Where are you at? Okay, yeah, go to the first door again. There it is. She's totally behind you, dude. I can hear her. She there?
Sounds like a baby.
I'm sorry! It's so freaking scary. Okay. Oh, what the fuck? Now try to gouge it out.
Just look right at the X.
I could have swore that was it.
Keep it held down for a really long time.
Like, even after she starts making creepy noises, maybe. Can you move closer to it?
That's pretty good. That's pretty quality.
Should we just look it up?
What you do?
I'll pause it.
Yeah, let's pause. We're pausing. Perfect. Hold on. Why? Where is my phone? Oh god.
Stressing me out so hard.
Break time.
Walk around your normal house.
I'm sweating. The game of have fun walking around your house at night.